Hello and Jain friend. My name is Chetan Joshi, under officer of 30 Gujarat Battalion NCC Godhra. The International Day of Yoga has been declared annually on 21 June since following its inauguration in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice which organized in India. The Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his UN address suggested the date of 21 June as the longest day on the year in the Northern Hemisphere and shares a special significance in many parts of the world, and Maharshi Patanjali is the father of modern yoga.
Surya Namaskar. Salute to the sun or sun solution is a practice in yoga exercise incorporating a sequence of some 12 graceful light asana. The asana sequence organized in the Hatha Yoga tradition on the 9th century in India. The basic sequence involves moving from a standing position into downward and upward dog pose and then back to the standing position. But many variations are possible. The sets of 12 asanas is dedicated to the Vedic Hindu solar duty Surya. In some Indian tradition, the positions are each associated with different mantras.
Yoga is a blend of breathing technique and posture. Together they work toward healing and strengthening your body. Anulom Vilom is also known as the alternate breathing technique.
Sit in Sukhasana with your hands resting sideways on the knees. You can also sit in Padmasana. If you begin from the left, then close the right nostril with your right thumb and slowly to fill up your lungs. Now exhale slowly from the right nostril. It is essential to focus on your breath and practice the technique slowly. Repeat 60 times or for 5 minutes. You can do this any time of the day. Ensure